month energy reading for the month of May, and it's the 9 of Discs game. So we're moving from April, which was the 2 of Cups, into a material and physical world. So we're leaving behind some of the lovely emotions and wonderful flow to go into a completely different direction. And a lot of times people who are spiritually minded do not like to work in the physical world. But if we want to create changes in our lives and if we want to stay in tune with our bodies, the physical world is also extremely important. And the 9 of Discs is a wonderful and beautiful energy to work with if we're open to it. You can see in the card that there are several discs all around the central tree, and it just reminds us that we need to invest in ourselves and in others. So this is a time to understand that your investments can be blooming and creating that wonderful feeling of success and confidence and satisfaction. But also it could be the time where you have to see where you have been investing your time, your energy, your effort, and really see if it's bringing you what you want. So the do's of this month are invest, physical care, and satisfaction. So besides investing in yourself and others, physical care is vital this month. The 9 of Discs, moving into the end of the cycle of the 10, reminds us that we all need to take care of our bodies, need to be aware in our physical plane of what is going on. 9 of Discs can be a bit of a luxury card and give this kind of luxurious feeling, but it also means that it's very important now to check where we have been neglecting the physical. And that could be in your own body, but it could also be in your household. So now is the time to do some extra spring cleaning and to actually go and give yourself the time to do the things that you have been neglecting, and understand that to have this luxurious feeling of abundance, we need to take care of ourselves, we need to take care of our household, we need to do the work. And then, of course, it's time to remind us of this satisfaction. If there's any successes this month, make sure that you definitely celebrate them. Be happy with what you have and the blessings that you see around them. And make sure to really do some gratitude work when it's available to you. And then for the don'ts. So the don'ts are pride, overindulgence, and deception. So once we have some successes, it's very difficult sometimes to not become prideful and forget that we are co-creating. We are not the engineer of our own success. We are being helped and supported in so many different ways. So actually do understand that you have to acknowledge everybody along the way, whether it's here in the physical world or if it's on the spiritual plane, to actually continue having the goodwill we all need to move forward. It's tough because sometimes we feel we've done all the work, but when we're being honest, we know we haven't. Also, if you're in that luxurious feeling, it's hard not to overindulge, but that is definitely a big don't with the 9 of Discs because you will actually overdo it quite a lot, which means that you can get some really nasty physical complaints if you overindulge in alcohol or in other things that aren't really good for you. And it's very, very tough not to fall for deception this month. We all know the quick get-rich schemes. We all would like to believe sometimes that would work for us. And it's very tempting if you see something that's too good to be true, to not realize it is too good to be true. So definitely make sure that you know what you're doing and you know who you're connecting to, and don't let those things keep you from being honest, authentic, and understanding of what is really going on. So all in all, it's going to be a great month with lots of opportunities, and I hope you take them all. And I'd love to hear how you've been doing. So don't hesitate to leave me a comment, and have a fantastic month.